When I was first in ministry, my pastor invested in me. He sent me and my wife to youth leader conferences to learn how to do youth ministry. Then, as we transitioned over into the worship ministry, he sent us to worship workshops and leader conferences. The church invested in us and paid our way to these conferences. Now that I've taken that knowledge, applied it, and gained years of experience, we now desire to teach what we've learned and to pour into worship leaders and worship teams. What I'm asking of you, pastors, is that you invest in your worship leaders and in your worship teams. We've made our workshops affordable at only $30 per person and $20 per person for a group rate. Will you send your worship leader or your worship team to this workshop? Maybe they're doing great, but they could use some encouragement, or find the community of worship leaders that they need. Or maybe they have questions that can be answered on this weekend. Friday, March the 20th at 7 p.m. We'll start off with an evening of worship. And then Saturday morning, March 21st, workshops will start at 10 o'clock. We'll break for lunch at noon and end around 4 o'clock. The lunch will be provided. The location will be at the Bridge of Faith, 279 Dairy Road in Poca, West Virginia. You can register at robandjen.com or thebridgepoca.org. The links are in the description.